Hello, welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. So the first thing I want to show you is Happy Eskimo dying of Fusarium. It's a soil-borne disease which kills the bulbs and the plants. So I only have these two plants left from this cultivar. It seems that it's sensitive to Fusarium because last year there were bulbs there, not this year. So yeah, sorry for the wind. And I got most of my trumpets in flower, tetraploids, diploids, so lovely fragrance in the garden. And some cultivars go really strong. For example, this is the second year planting of Eastern Morn. When I got some lovely plants. So this one is Elegán from Slovakia, from Anton Mago. And look at this beautiful Alexandra. So the early Aurelians are also start to open, and I really cannot go in anymore in the rows because everywhere lilies. These are some of my seedlings. I love the inflorescence, it's very nice. This is a tetraploid, also a tetraploid with the stronger colors. And some plants fall over like this trumpet. This is Slovak Sapphire, and you can see some virus symptoms there, but it's okay. More trumpets. Ooh, and I like the Amethyst Temple because it's not fading like Pimperfection. What I'm missing this year is Pink Planet. I may have two plants left. This one is Miss Peculiar mixed in with Rising Moon. Rising Moon is a yellow tetraploid. So this is Rising Moon. The Asiatics are start to finish. I will have some late Asiatics still to come, but most of them are done. And this one is also Fusarium. And look at this, the fasciated trumpet, and this is the normal trumpet from the same bulb. So this is a good tetra trumpet with strong stems. This one is not a great tetra trumpet with weak stems. Oh, and look at this seedling, how nice, with secondary and tertiary buds. This is also looking great. And this one will be registered this year. So some progress, and you win some, you lose some. It's agriculture, you know. And Passion Moon, it's also a tetraploid trumpet. And Silk Road, and it seems to me that maybe this plant is a tetraploid because the leaves are much thicker. And I have a triploid here, Scheherazade. So these mutations sometimes occur, so I'll keep an eye on this one. And Elusive with a lot of virus, so you can see that there is almost barely any pink. More Miss Peculiar. It's a nice one with big buds. Kessler is still growing nice. And what's this? Oh, I have a mole in the garden. And I think my longiflorums start to open. And the Orientals also, and the OTs. So the LAs are mostly gone now. I have the OTs coming in. So this one is Zambezi, and this one I have to check. So this one's supposed to be Zirconia, and this one is Bud Light. It was bigger last year, the flowers. And this one is, what's this? Oh, I can't see the name tag. So it's a pink OT hybrid with virus, and all OTs, pink OTs look like this for me. Look at this, Belvedere is opening, and the first day the flowers are greenish, and then they open up white. So this one is Belleville, and this one is Frontera. Oh, and that big yellow one, LA. This is my new favorite one with the huge flowers. It is Pompidou. And this one is, oh, Petacus maybe. And Pistachio is flowering nicely. And oh, I haven't seen this one. This is lovely. It's a Tetrasiatic. And also some virus in the newly planted trumpets from the Baltics. Well, this happens all the time. So, oh, this one is nice too. I have to check for the name again, but I think it's a white LA. Oh, this one is still going strong. We had some winds and stormy winds, but most of the plants are okay. The double Orientals are opening, and Sunburn and Fusarium everywhere, so. And that one should be Boogie Woogie, but I think it's Nesso. And the dwarf cannas are going nicely. And my Eucharis has opened, so it's a tropical bulb with a nice fragrant flower. I like it very much. And so the Orientals are opening up. This is Josephine or Josephine. This one is dying, a Fusarium. This one is Front Page. That's a good one. Not great, but a good one. And orange. And this one is Varese. It's an LO hybrid. You can see how big the stigmatic lobes are, but I think it's triploid. I'm not sure. Brooks with with virus. So the white ones are good because you don't see the virus on the flowers. This is Santander. And more Fusarium. So Orientals are very sensitive to Fusarium, it appears. I managed to get some seed pods on my Yuccas. In Europe we don't have the Yucca moth, so I am playing the Yucca moth in the evenings. And this one is Zeba, and it's green in the first day, but then it fades, and the center is brown, but it also fades a little bit. I have some good seed pods on the American hybrids and some bad seed pods on the American hybrids, like this, but it's okay. It's a trial and error, mostly error, however. So Saltarello, it's an early OT hybrid. Did a lot of flowers. It's not too tall, and it has some weird virus in it. And these will be, I think, Mr. Cass. The stems are very bendy, so not my favorite, but the flowers are nice, big. And yep, I think this is it. So thank you for being with me. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye bye.